Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best creatine is probably one of the most researched and effective supplements available for boosting athletic performance, increasing muscle mass, and enhancing cognitive function, making it a staple for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to push your limits in the gym, recover faster between workouts, or simply improve your overall physical capabilities, understanding the nuances of creatine supplementation is key to unlocking its full potential and ensuring you're making the most informed choice for your body and your goals. Number 5. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder 425g. Unlock your body's true potential with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to fuel your muscles and enhance your performance, whether you're hitting the gym or pursuing your athletic goals. Experience the power of pure creatine monohydrate, meticulously formulated for maximum effectiveness. Each serving delivers a potent dose to support muscle growth and strength gains. Achieve your fitness milestones with our convenient 5-gram daily serving. This scientifically backed dosage is perfect for both men and women looking to optimize their training. Our supplement is proudly vegan-friendly, ensuring it aligns with your lifestyle choices. Plus, it's third-party tested for purity and potency, so you can trust what you're putting into your body. With 85 servings per container, you'll have a consistent supply of this essential supplement to support your fitness journey. Enjoy the unflavored versatility that easily mixes into any beverage. What we like. This option is rigorously third-party tested for purity and potency. It's also vegan-friendly, making it a great choice for plant-based athletes. If you're looking for a reliable and ethically sourced creatine, this is the one for you. What people say. This creatine is a game-changer for my workouts. I've noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance. I love how easily this creatine dissolves in water, no gritty texture at all. The purity of this creatine is impressive, it's lab-tested and free from fillers. Number 4. Cellucor Cor-Performance Creatine Monohydrate. Elevate your performance with our advanced creatine monohydrate formula. It's designed to help you push past your limits and achieve new personal bests. Support your muscle-building journey with this powerful supplement. It provides the essential building blocks your muscles need to grow stronger and bigger. Experience the benefits of pure, micronized creatine monohydrate. This highly effective form ensures optimal absorption and results. Get ready for a full training cycle with 72 servings per container. This means consistent support for your fitness goals, week after week. Join countless athletes who rely on this formula to enhance their training. It's a proven choice for those serious about results. Incorporate this into your routine to experience a noticeable difference in your workouts. You'll feel the power and endurance it provides. What we like. Designed specifically to boost strength and muscle growth, this supplement is a powerhouse. It comes from a trusted brand known for quality. If you're serious about building muscle and increasing your lifting capacity, this is a solid contender. What people say. This product is great for muscle gain. I noticed a significant increase in my strength after using this creatine. It mixes well with water and doesn't have a chalky taste. Number 3. Nutricost Micronized Creatine Monohydrate. Fuel your workouts and unlock new levels of performance. Our creatine monohydrate is designed to support your fitness journey. Experience the benefits of pure creatine monohydrate, micronized for optimal absorption. This powerful supplement helps enhance strength and endurance. We use only the highest quality ingredients to ensure you get the best results. Each capsule delivers a potent dose of creatine monohydrate. With 500 capsules per bottle, you'll have plenty of servings to support your training goals. It's an easy and effective way to boost your gains. Make it a staple in your supplement routine. It's the perfect partner for anyone looking to maximize their physical output and recovery. What we like. Featuring micronized creatine for enhanced absorption, this product offers superior convenience with its capsule form. You get a very high number of servings in this package. If you dislike mixing powders or need a travel-friendly option, these capsules are ideal. What people say. This product is amazing, it has helped me increase my strength and endurance during my workouts. I feel more energized and focused. I have been using this creatine for a few weeks now and I can already see a difference in my muscle mass. It's also helped me with recovery after intense training sessions. The powder mixes very easily with water and doesn't have any chalky taste. It's a great addition to my pre-workout routine. Number 2. Nature's Craft High-Strength Triphase Creatine Tablets. Introducing a powerful blend designed to elevate your fitness journey. This advanced formula supports your body's natural processes for optimal performance. Experience the synergy of 3 potent forms of creatine, monohydrate, HCl, and pyruvate. This unique combination works to fuel your muscles effectively. Whether you're a man or a woman, this supplement is crafted to support your muscle-building goals. It's designed for anyone looking to enhance their physique. Achieve your desired muscle mass with our high-strength formula. It provides the building blocks your muscles need to grow and develop. Don't let fatigue slow you down. This supplement aids in faster recovery, allowing you to get back to training sooner and stronger. Each bottle contains 120 easy-to-take tablets, ensuring you have a consistent supply for your fitness regimen. It's a simple yet effective addition to your routine. What we like. This product boasts a unique triphase blend, combining different forms of creatine for potentially varied benefits. It's also in an easy-to-take tablet form, and it specifically targets muscle recovery. If you're looking for a multifaceted approach to muscle gain and faster recovery, consider these tablets. What people say. It has helped me increase my strength and endurance during my workouts. I noticed a significant improvement in my muscle recovery after taking this creatine. This creatine dissolves easily in water and doesn't have any gritty texture. Number 1. Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Unlock your potential with our premium creatine monohydrate powder. Designed for women, it's the perfect addition to your daily routine. Experience enhanced results thanks to its micronized formula. This ensures optimal absorption, helping you achieve your fitness goals faster. Enjoy the freedom of unflavored powder. You can easily mix it into your favorite drinks or shakes without altering the taste. Each container provides 100 servings, offering great value and long-lasting support for your active lifestyle. We prioritize your health with a vegetarian, non-GMO, and gluten-free formula. It's a clean choice you can feel good about. Whether you're hitting the gym or pursuing athletic endeavors, this supplement is designed to support your strength and performance. What we like. This micronized powder ensures a smooth mix and easy digestion. It's also vegetarian, non-GMO, and gluten-free, catering to specific dietary needs. If you prefer an unflavored powder that can be added to any beverage without altering the taste, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This creatine monohydrate powder is micronized for better absorption and mixes easily with water. I noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance during workouts after taking this supplement for a few weeks. The product comes in a large container, providing a good value for the amount of creatine you receive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.